Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. This is Vidya Lakshmi. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how I prepared this Sabudana vada using my mother's recipe. I posted this recipe back in 2010 and I'm updating it with a new video and photos. So I'm going to start soaking the Sabudana or the tapioca pearls. Here in local dialect we call it as Javvarisi. So I've taken this nylon Javvarisi and I'm going to measure it using a small steel tumbler. This is approximately 150 grams of Javvarisi. So now I've measured and added 300 grams of Javvarisi. So the tumbler holds 150 grams of contents. Now I've measured and added yogurt. So 150 grams of yogurt. I'll be adding 1 glass of water. We need to mix this. I added water gradually. I didn't want to make it too watery. So now once I've added the water, I'll just place the cover and allow this to soak for 2 to 3 hours. After 3 hours, this Javvarisi or tapioca pearls is ready. You can see it's doubled in volume and it soaked all that curds and moisture. I've prepped up all the ingredients required for the vada and reserved. We need to finely chop all the ingredients. Curry leaves, finely chopped chilies, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped fenugreek, finely chopped dill leaves. So make sure all your contents are finely chopped. And then finely chopped onion, 1 large onion I'm using. We also need roasted peanuts, all-purpose flour and rice flour, and of course the soaked tapioca pearls. So all-purpose flour is half a cup and rice flour is half a cup. Now I'm going to be adding all the ingredients to the soaked tapioca pearls. Unfortunately, my bowl was very small. I thought I could mix everything in one bowl itself, but it is too small. I had to transfer this to a plate and mix it thoroughly. I'll also be adding salt. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, friends. Or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I've got a detailed recipe post. You can also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for regular updates. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also translated and posted in Tamil language. Tamil channel link will also be in the description box below this video. I've transferred all the ingredients to a larger plate and I've started to mix it. So once you finish mixing, in case if you feel the moisture is very less, sprinkle a little bit of water and mix it. At this point you can also check for salt, do a small taste testing, and then you can start frying it out. Now once you've mixed all the ingredients, place oil in a wok on low to medium flame so that it is nice and hot by the time you start preparing the vadas. At this point all my ingredients are thoroughly mixed. The oil is also nice and hot. I'm going to start preparing vadas. I've taken slightly larger than lime size portion of dough and I'm making roundels. So you can also use an ice cream scoop to get even roundels. You'll get larger vadas. That's it. Always make sure you have a small cup or a small tumbler filled with water so that you can wet your hands and flatten the vadas. Now using my palm, I've just wet my palm as well. I'm going to flatten the vada. Make sure you flatten it from the center out so that it's even. Now the vada has flattened. I'm going to fry it in oil. I'll drop it in hot oil and fry it. Gently drop it in hot oil. Don't be in a haste, it might splutter. So I'll fry it for 2 minutes on each side. On very slow flame I'm frying this. Slow to medium flame, I kept adjusting the flame. But don't place it on high flame. If you place it on high flame, it will burn fast. It will have that black charred look and it will not taste good. Don't worry if your vadas are stuck to each other. It will eventually separate once it's fried. I'll fry it for 2 minutes on each side. It's a very simple recipe, friends. You can prepare it in no time. You can prepare this dough ahead of time and you can store it in the fridge also. So that whenever you want to prepare this for tea time, you can prepare it. Very nice snack. I posted this recipe back in 2010 and it was quite a time. Like I wanted to refresh that post and post new videos and also post newer photos on that post. So the crunchy peanuts in this Sabudana vada is excellent. I've also got a detailed chutney playlist so that you can serve chutney with vadas. Here in Bangalore especially, we serve chutney in South India on whole. For vadas, we will serve chutney. So I've got an entire playlist how to prepare chutney. I'll post those links also in the description box below this video, or I'll post the playlist on the iCard above. Now once the vadas have fried, I've drained it from oil and reserved it on a plate lined with tissue. I'm going to start preparing the second batch in the same manner. These vadas are prepared South Indian version. This is my mother's recipe. But in Maharashtra and all, they add potato and other ingredients. So this is completely my mother's version and her our South Indian style of preparing Sabudana vada. Now once the vadas have fried, I've drained it from oil and served it with chutney. We really enjoyed it. Give this recipe a try and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.